See in VR. Have you ever go to world first fully plant-based chocolate factory in the heart of Bali? Yes, in Bali. So I here bring to you the pot chocolate in VR. The farmer of cacao is processing the cacao with the first step is fermentations inside wood box and covered by banana leaf. Second process is dried under the sun. The final step is roasting the cacao. And this cacao bean that have been roasted for 20 minutes in 120 degree. The difference with the cocoa bean is more longer than cocoa bean. You can crack it with your thumb also. If you want to taste it, it is little bit bitter. Imagine chocolate is sweet, right? But the reality, chocolate is bitter. The sweet one is sugar mixed with the chocolate. The ingredient of this cocoa bean is concept of theobromine. It is rise our blood pressure so that make you relax and good mood after you eat it. And here's a neat bean and mix in the pasta. We can roasting in this machine for 15 minutes and turn down the heat from the 60 degree into 30 degree. Then we can flavoring. The bigger machine made from German that's mixed with sugar and vanilla and butters about 2 hours. The container tank can fill about 2 tons chocolate and chocolate will be pressed in the different room. The first in the world, this is chocolate is content plant-based. All the ingredients is vegetable basis. So if you like this kind of video from VR, please subscribe and like this video. I will give you another view from this VR. Thank you.